gonna make a beer can chicken. Essentially what we've got here is some coarse ground salt, olive oil, freshly chopped minced garlic, freshly ground black pepper, your beer of your choice, the smaller can. You need a smaller can because the bigger, you take the bigger can at the 16s, it unbalances the chicken. We're gonna open our beer and we're gonna enjoy a little bit of our beer. Gotta be half full. Otherwise it's too much fluid, it doesn't have a chance to breathe. So the next step is we're gonna brush on some olive oil. A light coating. And this makes all of the seasonings and such stick to it, get up under the arm. And you wanna do both sides. Light coating of salt. Garlic. That's it. Place the bird.